Hello my friends and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use this tool. It's a valve spring compressor tool that I got on Amazon. I am working on this head. I'm gonna change all the valves on this. This came out of a Audi Q5 2013, and as you can see, I'm gonna show you that one of the exhaust valves has a hole. Okay, as you guys can see, that was causing a misfire on my engine, and I had to remove the head. As you can see, it's here, and I am gonna change the valves. Okay, I have the valves that I got on Amazon. These are the ones I got, the whole kit, the timing chain, the head gasket, for only $140. So I decided to go ahead and do all the valves. Okay, the engine has never been overheated. It was working. Okay, it was working with a normal temperature. So I'm not gonna take it. I might take it to a machine shop so they can clean this off, but I am gonna measure the water pitch using the right tool. There's a tool that you can use to measure it's like a level. You can measure the water pitch. You guys will have to use a feeler gauge, so you can put under the straight edge. That's the name of the tool that you guys will use, and then you will know if you need to. You can just clean it off. You have to really clean this off before you put the new head gasket, make it look like new before you even measure it. And then you measure the gap, and you have to look it up on spec. I'm gonna look it up later, but you know, then you will know if I have to resurface the whole thing or just clean it off. I can send so they can just clean it. Anyways guys, I am gonna try this tool that I got, because I tried to change so it was really hard to remove this spring. It was very hard. I had some DIY homemade tools, but it was just really hard. And then to put it back on, I had these little metals flying all over the place. So I was like, okay, I got this from Amazon. This is the right tool that you guys have to use. Oh nice, it comes with gloves. Nice. If you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. It's gonna help me push this, and YouTube's gonna show it to more people. And this is the right tool that you guys have to use. Okay, this is the one. Let's use it now and show you guys how I'm gonna change another valve. Okay, I'm just gonna change one. I'm not gonna change them all right now, so I only want to show you guys how to use this tool. Okay, I know many of you guys are trying to do this job, and you don't know if you just get one from your auto parts store and they don't have the right one sometimes. So this is so that you guys can see that this is the one and how to use it. So let's see, we changed already this one. This is the one I removed. Okay, I already put the valve on the valve seat, so it's there. I just have to put the spring back. Okay, let's see how we do this. We have spring, this metal, and then the two small metals here. And basically, let me put the camera somewhere else. I think that's a good spot. So here guys, let's get, okay, we have these two metals here. Let's move this out of the way. Let's see what else we need. I think that's all. Okay, you have the lifter, everything in place. And now what you guys will do you put the spring, you put the spring in, okay, and then you have to find the right one, the right measure. Let's see, like this. You know what, guys, this came with some instructions. Okay guys, so I found the instruction manual and it doesn't really say much, but seems very straightforward. The sockets, they just clip on like this, and then this will compress the spring like that. Okay, so let's put this like this, and okay, let's put this inside. Let's see. It's gonna go like that, and then the other one's gonna push the valve. So we have two parts pushing against each other. Let's see. I'm guessing that there's one with this hole, so this one's gonna be here where the spring is, like this. Okay, like that, and then we put it like that, or actually like this. Okay guys, so this goes like that, and then on the other side you're gonna grab the other piece, and then it's gonna sit where the valve is. Let's see. It's gonna go like this, like that, and then this. Let me show you how I'm doing it. Hope you can see, like that. Okay, and then you put this like this, and it should push that valve against it. And this was only 20 bucks, not much. It was actually, I think it was $26 on Amazon, so hey, it's worth it. Okay, let's think that like that. Like this, maybe like that. Okay, like that. And then you grab that little stick, this one, okay, and you put it here on the other side, and you will compress. Actually, I think it might be better on the other side. I don't think it matters too much. Let me show you how it's doing it, guys. So I have to move this around. I don't have the perfect workplace, as you guys can see, and it's raining, so is the only place I can do this. Okay. Make sure you don't drop this. Okay. Okay guys, this is perfect. So much better than the other I got on AutoZone for rent, which it didn't even fit here. Now the most tricky part is gonna be to squeeze these metals in here. Okay. So now you put these metals like that. Maybe it's better if we put this like this. Yeah, that's probably better. We don't want to drop these little metals. Wasn't expecting that. Just grab your flathead screwdriver and try to put it there. Not very simple, eh? It's not that easy, guys. Much better than anything else, but I'm gonna decompress it a little bit more. Okay, so I think there's some gaps there. That's where it should be. Maybe it just needs to be decompressed a little bit more. Okay. So maybe once it's there, yeah, you guys have to decompress it just a tiny bit, and then let's try to put the other one there. Let me see, you guys can see like that. Okay, so I got that metal in there, just one, and I have to put the other one now. Let's see if we can push this to the back. I just want to put the other one. May have to push it a little bit with my screwdriver, so it will give me more room on this side. Let's see. Okay, so like this. Okay, I got him almost. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see, but both metals are in there. Now I'm gonna decompress. And we have our spring in place. Okay, my friends, we got our spring in place. Everything is good. Well, if you look on this side, we have the new valve right there. And yeah, so this is the tool I used. Very easy to use. If you're gonna do this job, spend 26 bucks and spend $26 and buy this tool. I'm gonna leave the link on the description so you guys can use my Amazon link, and yeah, it will give me some commission, but you know, mainly I want you guys to see this video and share it if you know somebody is trying to do this. I am gonna do all the valves here. This is the bad one, and I'm gonna upload it later on one of my long format video, and it will show you how to do the entire engine, how to take everything apart, the bumper. I'm gonna put everything back together, and then we're gonna do I'm gonna resurface this head. And yeah, guys, I hope this helped. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video.